located in East Antarctica, Victoria Land. Pouring out of the Taylor Glacier onto the ice-covered surface of West Lake Bonny is an iron oxide-tainted plum of salt water. So, why are the blood falls flowing at 75 degrees below the freezing point? Because of the presence of salts, concentrated by the crystallization of the ancient seawater imprisoned below. There is a flow of water through the Taylor Glacier, collecting iron from the bedrock. This iron oxidizes and becomes rust. Thus, we have a red-colored flow of water called blood falls falling into the surface of frozen West Lake Bonny.